Arcade-style games that pay real money usually work through cash prize tournaments, rewards, or skill-based competitions, rather than simply paying you for playing. The biggest difference between these apps is how you earn, how you withdraw, and whether you need to deposit money first. By the end, you'll know which 5 arcade-style money-making games are worth checking, and what to look for before putting any money into one. Number 5. Mistplay. Mistplay is a mobile gaming rewards platform where you earn units by playing supported games and completing eligible activities. Those units can be exchanged for available rewards depending on your location and account. It's better suited to casual players who want rewards rather than direct cash game competition. Number 4. Just Play. Just Play combines casual mobile games with a rewards system. Your earnings depend on the games and offers available through the app, and redemption options can vary by country. The key advantage is that you're playing ordinary arcade-style games, rather than entering traditional casino games. Number 3. Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe rewards users for playing participating mobile games and tracking eligible playtime. The app uses a points-based system, with available redemption methods depending on your location. Before spending time on it, check the current cash-out options shown inside your account. Number 2. Skillz Games. Skillz is built around competitive mobile games, where players can compete in tournaments. Some competitions offer cash prizes, but real money tournaments can require an entry fee, and may not be available in every location. That makes Skillz more relevant if you actually want competitive play rather than passive rewards. Number 1. World Winner. World Winner is another skill game platform that offers competitive tournaments across different casual game categories. Players can compete for prizes, but the specific games, entry requirements, and cash prize availability depend on the tournament and location. So the ranking comes down to what you actually want. Mistplay, Just Play, and Cash Giraffe are more focused on earning rewards from casual gameplay. Skillz and World Winner are more competitive because they use tournament-style formats. Before downloading any of these, check 3 things: the current withdrawal method, whether your country is supported, and whether a tournament requires an entry fee. Never assume a game advertised as real cash guarantees earnings. The practical next step is to choose one app, verify its current payout rules, and test the cash-out process before spending significant time on it. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more ranked money-making app guides.